Hey everybody, it's Christina Holloway here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the number one mistake leaders make when speaking in public, in meetings, in company-wide town halls, basically anywhere with an audience. Most leaders don't struggle with what to say, they struggle with how to say it. And there's one speaking mistake that instantly makes you look uncertain and weak as a leader. If you've ever finished a presentation and thought, did anyone even listen to me? Then you might be making this mistake. So let's fix it right now. Here it is. The biggest mistake I see leaders make when they're speaking: talking too fast. It usually happens when you're nervous. You start speeding through your ideas because you don't want to lose your train of thought. Or maybe you're worried about wasting people's time. But here's what's actually happening: people stop listening. When you speak too fast, your ideas lose impact. It becomes harder to follow your point. And worst of all, you come across as unsure of yourself, even if you're an expert, because you sound nervous. Now, this is totally normal. Public speaking makes most people anxious. Your adrenaline kicks in and suddenly you're racing through your points like there's a timer going off. And it doesn't matter if it's 10 people in a meeting or 100 people in a presentation. If you feel vulnerable, you start to become reactive. The problem is, fast talking makes your audience feel overwhelmed. And when people feel overwhelmed, they tune out. So how do you fix this? It's simple. Own the pause. Here's what to do the next time you speak in a meeting, presentation, or even a one-on-one conversation. Before your first sentence, pause. Take a breath. Make eye contact with your audience. Let them settle on you. After delivering an important point, pause for 2 seconds. Let it land before moving on. When answering a question, take a moment. Even if you know the answer, think, then respond. The silence makes you look more confident and thoughtful. Think of the best speakers you've ever heard. They don't rush. They give their words weight, and that's exactly what makes them sound powerful. I was coaching a client who had an upcoming executive presentation. She was brilliant, but she spoke way too fast because she was nervous and she wanted to make sure she said everything that was on her mind. She was rushing through it. The result? Her ideas got lost. How did she know that? People started asking questions about the points she made. They wanted to make sure they heard her right, or could she repeat that part? Or they'd follow up with her afterwards about a point she made and ask for further clarity. We worked on slowing down and owning the pause. And after her presentation, she told me, I actually felt in control this time. And for the first time, people were really listening to what I had to say. How do we know? They followed up with her to talk about the points she made, but not for clarity. They wanted to share additional insights and talk more about what they heard. That's actual comprehension and understanding of your perspective. That's the difference. So here's my challenge for you. In your next meeting or presentation, use the power of the pause. I promise it will make you look more confident, more in control, and more like a leader. And if you want more strategies like this, join my LinkedIn group where I share our weekly leadership tips. The link is in the description below. And if you enjoyed watching this video and you found it helpful, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss another video from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.